Nithyanandam. So today we will be making Ragi Murunga Dosai. Add 1 cup ragi flour. Empty some moringa leaves. Add coriander powder and salt to taste. Sprinkle some fenugreek powder. Pour some water as you stir. Keep adding water till you get the proper consistency. Now our dosa batter is ready. We'll be setting this aside for about 10 minutes. Allow the tawa to heat up. Put 1 cup of the batter onto the tawa and let it cook. Open the lid. Start slowly taking the dosa out. The Ragi Murunga Dosai is best in non-dairy sources of calcium, essential for bone health. It is ideal for blood sugar control. Vitamin C, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. It is rich in vitamin A and D which promote glowing skin and strong hair. Your Ragi Dosa is ready now. Bhagashastra Nighantu says, Shigruh katos tikshvakoshno dvipanah kapavadachitem ashah kutabishashleshmam shotagulpodare itaham. Moringa is found in bitter and hot, improves digestion and balances kapha and vata. It helps with piles, skin diseases, toxins, swellings and stomach issues.